This is Mar Antonio Parino. Project review. My projects are Project Human is the most dominant species of the entire universe. Project Zero Hunger. Project Zero Blood. Project Zero Waste Disposal. Project Subsidies. Project Nano Space Station, Project Nano Space Station, Project Metallic Country, Project Metallic Country that will join countries, Project Zero Sickness, featuring Steakhouse, machine inside the house. There's a computer machine that will scan all what you're lacking of, what you sick of, more like prevention is better than cure, from the concept. Because of that machine, the scan it will save and cure. Project Resilience is very possible, not impossible. Soundly possible. Because let's review it. Project Human is the most dominant species. Project Zero Hunger. Project Zero Blood. Project Zero Waste Disposal. Project Zero Sickness. Project Metallic Country, the future countries. Project Subsidies. Project City, Project Nano Space Station. Project Subsidies. Sub-Nano Space Station. Check it out. Last review. Projects Human is the most dominant species in the entire universe. Project Zero Hunger. Project Zero Blood. Project Zero Sickness. Project Zero Waste Disposal. Project Nano Space Station. Project Sub-Nano Space Station. Project Subsidies. Project Metallic Country that we did. Project Jupiter, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, the start of human experience. There's a lot of projects that education wants it over time. Project fiction to reality. As I discussed in my previous videos, there's fiction, there's fiction that will benefit mankind. Fiction movies, cartoons, anime movies that will benefit mankind, more biased mankind. We can make it possible. We can make use of it. It's very hard back then when we are young, but now it's very not so. We can apply it. Guys, this has been Mar Antonio Parino, Plan Parino, Indonesian Kalinaw. I love you guys. Bye guys. Manila, Philippines. I love you guys. Bye guys.